Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this info icon and choose edit. Now let's tap on this camera icon at the very top, and as you can see here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can choose something from the defaultly installed avatars if you want to. You can tap on this plus icon and you will be able to check more options. But let me turn it off. What's more, we can pick something from our own gallery, or we can tap on the camera, so then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. So I will pick the gallery. Let me tap on it, obviously give all the permissions, and just find the photo you would like to set and tap on it. And as you can see, right now we can change the position and the size of this square and a circle inside of it, because this area is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So try to position it just like you want to, for example something like this, and if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save. And the photo has been successfully added to the contact. What's more, you will be able to see it whilst scrolling through the contacts and use it during all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.